For Notre Dame fans, players, and staff, it's a long drive from South Bend to South Florida, 1,373 miles to be exact, and many of them spent the drive doing homework on football in the South. WHNT News 19's Carson Clark joins us live tonight from South Florida.
And Carson, you found some Notre Dame folks who did some studying at the School of Feinbaum.
That's exactly right, Elise. I talked to the crew from NotreDame.com today. They're down here, they're following the Notre Dame team's every move, and they said that, to prepare themselves for football in the South, they listened to the Paul Feinbaum radio show.
150 days ago today, fall camp opened and the journey to the BCS National Championship began.
Ryan Camden works for Notre Dame's official website, and he and his crew are following the team from takeoff to landing and all the stops on their journey to meet Alabama.
We're kind of the video extension of the athletics department at Notre Dame, and it's been a great year for the football team, but it's also been a great year for us because we've kind of been in their back pocket, their shadow.
Just like the WHNT News 19 crew is working to keep people back in the Valley up to date on the Tide, this Notre Dame crew is working to keep everyone back in South Bend in touch with the Irish.
We want to give a feel to the Notre Dame fan that isn't in Miami and what they're missing out. So the beach and the pool and really fun stuff.
Notre Dame doesn't play Southeastern Conference teams that often, so many of those associated with the Irish don't really know what to expect. So for better or for worse, they've turned to a source to try and fill in the gaps.
We listen to Feinbaum and whatnot, coming down here to kind of pump the brakes a little bit on everything, but so far so good.
Notre Dame fans listening to the Paul Feinbaum radio show to get a feel for Alabama football is a lot like people watching Here Comes Honey Boo Boo to get a feel for life in the South. Reporting live in Fort Lauderdale, Carson Clark, WHNT News 19.